this week I don't have a full day to work in here like I usually do. Plus it's really cold. It's like 8 degrees outside right now. It gets dark in Minnesota early these days because it's just that time of year. Even though I have some time today to work in here, a lot of the stuff I want to do, I would prefer it to be light out. But I am going to remove some of the things in here that don't need to be in here tonight. So I have this fishing thing. I don't know what they're called. And there are some back here too, so I'm going to remove those. I have really been thinking about these shelves and if I want to take them out or not, and I think I might keep them for now because I think if I just, like, this one specifically, if I just stain this, it's gonna be really nice. I don't know, I might have to sand it down. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna remove stuff that doesn't need to be on the wall in here. And then next week, I'm gonna screw down the plywood under the bed. It's the plywood I put down, I just kind of set it there and got excited about the bed and put the bed up here, but I'd like to screw that down. And then I ordered some fun bedding for in here. Really nice bedding. Most of the things I have I bought secondhand, but I've really wanted a nice duvet and duvet cover for a really long time, and I've actually been saving up for it. So I'm gonna finally get one and I'm putting it in my camper. I haven't gotten the other piece for the for the regulator yet. This time of year is just crazy busy. And I've also decided that I want to put a rack up here, like not a rack, like a shelf with like hooks or knobs or something under it here, so that I have a place to hang up jackets or towels or things like that. It's not that I don't plan on ever using this camper for ice fishing, like that's possible, but I don't really see it happening. Part of what I noticed about this camper when I bought it is that it rides pretty low to the ground, so in order to get it out onto a lake or get it off the lake, it would almost have to be on a plowed lake with a road. I don't know, it just doesn't seem like something that I really want to do. I don't like sleeping on ice either, so to bring this whole thing out on the ice just for a day or to like leave it out there is not really something I'd probably do, so I probably won't ever use these. Oh, there's one more. Over here on the wall. I didn't even notice this one. The electricity in this camper is hooked up to a battery, but the battery is continually powered during the daylight by solar. There's a solar panel outside, and then the solar panel like keeps the battery charged so you can use it. There's like a little power thing up here. Right there. And the little power thing tells you what the battery charge is at. And I don't think I've ever pointed that out or shown on this side. It's a little solar panel. I'll show you in a minute. So that's the little solar panel. I just am in love with this camper that I found. Like the wood paneling on the walls and the windows. Like this window behind me, that window. I love it. I love it so much. Little candle holder. You like put a candle in here and I think it's just supposed to sit on a table or something, but with the metal like this I think you could like put screws through here. Yeah, do you want to see the twinkle lights I hung up? I actually hung them up in the last video. You couldn't really see them in the video, so I just cut that part out. I'll show you right now though because I think it's gonna look better. So I wrapped these like twinkle lights around that wire. So there they're on, you probably can't really tell.
it's hard to let go. Soon I will hold you again. Longer days when I'm away, we'll both pretend.
So I was in here working on things a week or so ago, and I haven't put that video together yet. So I think I'm just gonna add last week's video to this. I did go to the store and I got 2 options to connect my regulator hose to the furnace. Have fancy new sheets for my bed, which I couldn't hold off on ordering because I was really excited to get them. I decided to go with linen sheets because they last forever. I'd rather spend a little extra money and then get something that's gonna last, especially in a camper. It's actually pretty nice out today. Today is like 25 degrees. It's the morning time, so it's probably gonna get warmer. This thing has got to be getting low on propane.
Darling, I've never been bold.
Yeah, neither one of these are gonna work, so I don't know. Maybe I should just bring the entire furnace to the hardware store. That's what I'll do. Wow. It's just gorgeous.